Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you viewing this again. And guess what? I've got lots of grammar tips for you today. Have you ever been corrected for a grammar rule that wasn't even wrong? You say something like, I would like some water, and someone insists it should be, I will like some water. But wait, is that really wrong? Or is it really correct? Well, today we're fixing that confusion once and for all. And by the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when to use will and would without second guessing yourself ever again. Both will and would are modal verbs, but they have different uses. Let's break it down in a simple way. Will is used for talking about the future, like I will visit my grandma today. I love to visit my grandma as a kid. Another sentence is will is used for making promises, like I will help you with your homework. Also, will can be used for decisions made at the moment. Oh, I forgot. I will call her now. While would is used for talking about past habits. When I was young, I would play outside all day. I love to play as a kid. Would can also be used for making polite requests, like, would you like some tea? And would can be used for hypothetical situations. If I were rich, I would travel the whole world. Quick tip: will is definite and certain, while would is softer, polite, and hypothetical. Now, there are some common mistakes that we need to quickly fix. It is very incorrect if you say, if I am the president, I will change the rules. The correct thing to say is, if I were the president, I would change the rules. This is because would is used in imaginary and hypothetical situations. Also, it is incorrect to say, when I was a kid, I will wake up early for cartoons. The best thing to say is, when I was a kid, I would wake up early for cartoons. This is because would expresses repeated past actions. If you're still following, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's take this quick challenge. You're to fill in the blanks and check your answers below. Question 1. If I were you, I dash take the job. Is it going to be will or would? If I were you, I would take the job. Amazing! Question 2. Are you ready? She promised she dash call me later. Is it going to be will or would? She promised she dash call me later. She promised she will call me later. Bravo! We're halfway gone. Question 3. I dash never forget this day. Is it going to be will or would? I will never forget this day. Thumbs up to you. Number 4. This is the last question. When I was little, I dash always eat ice cream after school. Is it going to be will or would? It's going to be would. Did you find this helpful? Then Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more grammar tips, and download my free practice worksheet in the description below at www.spoga.com.ng, and tell me in the comment section what confuses you the most. Is it will or would? See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!